Okay, so now in this video we will add steering to our vehicle. So let's open the script, and right here after this vehicle engine, let's create another header by the name of vehicle steering. In here let's create a public float by the name of wheels torque. This will be equals to 20f. Then after this let's create a private float by the name of present run angle, which will be by default equals to 0f. Then down below after this move vehicle, let's create a function by the name of vehicle steering. As you know that we will move the steering to the left and right on the A and D and the left and right arrow keys. So we will say present run angle equals to wheels torque, and let's multiply that by the input dot get axis, and the axis will be the horizontal axis. Then down below we will say front right wheel collider. As you know that only the front wheels will be rotate. Okay, so we will say front wheel collider dot steer angle. This will be equals to present run angle. Let's do the same from the front left wheel collider. Okay, so type dot steer angle is equals to present run angle. Now also we want to animate the wheels right here, okay, because we want the wheels to be rotate towards left and right, and also we want the wheels to rotate whenever the car is moving forward and backward. Okay, so for that, right down below let's create a new function by the name of void steering wheels. In here it will need a wheel collider and also a transform by the name of WT or wheel transform. Okay, this function will be needing these two things. Then in here we will say vector3 position, and let's create a quaternion by the name of rotation. Then we will say wheel collider dot get world pose. Then we will say out position, then out rotation. Then down below we will say wheel transform dot position will be equals to position. Then wheel transform dot rotation will be equals to rotation. That is it. This will basically animate our wheels. Okay, if we move the vehicle in the forward direction, it will move forward, and if we move backward, it will move backward, and also to the left and right. Now right here let's animate them correctly, so we will call this function steering wheels, and as you know it needs the wheel collider and the wheel transform. So first of all let's start from the front right wheel collider, then the front right wheel transform. Then in the same way we will call the front left wheel collider and front left wheel transform, then back right wheel collider and back right wheel transform, and same for this one. Okay, so just type this, and once you do that, right here in the update function, let's call the vehicle steering function, save the script, get back to Unity. Okay, this is the vehicle. Now let's go ahead and play the game. And now if we click on maximize, now as you can see, if we move the vehicle, as you can see now the tires are rotating. If you move the vehicle backward, as you can see the tires are rotating backward. Now if we for example take a turn, now as you can see the vehicles can now take turns as well, and as you can see the tire turns with it as well. Okay, as you can see now, let's move forward. As you can see, the vehicle is moving forward as well. Okay, so as you can see, it looks really good like that. Now our vehicle can turn to the left and right, and also the wheels are now animated. So with this done, in the next video we will add braking to our vehicle.